Skeleton!
Oh, what is it now, Bluebird?
Can you buy me another Thomas and Friends DVD?
No, Bluebird, you've already have loads of Thomas and Friends DVDs.
Skeleton, please, 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 please.
Okay.
Yay! Yes, go to buy me another new Thomas and Friends DVD. Yes! Yes!
15 minutes later. Here you go, Bluebird.
Ouch! Oh, yes, my new Thomas and Friends DVD. I'm going to watch it right now. All right, let's put the disc in the DVD player. Woo! Oh, no! Oh, no! I dropped it! I dropped it! I dropped it! Oh, no! I've dropped my very beautiful Thomas and Friends DVD. Oh! Hopefully it has no scratches. Let's take a look. Oh, no! It has a lot of scratches! My Thomas and Friends DVD broke, and it is all my fault.
Bluebird, what's wrong?
I dropped my Thomas and Friends DVD and now there's a lot of scratches.
Ouch, my ears are going to explode.
I heard that!
Whoa, sorry, Bluebird.
Now I can't watch this Thomas and Friends DVD.
Oh. Alright, I'm going to buy you a new copy of that DVD, okay?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes!
Ouch, my ears. Ow. Another 15 minutes later. Here you go, Bluebird.
Ouch! Not again! Thank you so much, Skeleton.
You're welcome, Bluebird. Ugh.
Now it's finally time to watch this DVD. All right, let's put it in the DVD player. Oh! Yep. Here we go again.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.